Hi, this is Derosa bringing you another question from one of my students on real estate. Today's question is, what equipment do I need to invest in real estate? Well, I can give you that in a very basic term. You're going to need a cell phone. You're going to need to be able to call people, you do all your calculations on your cell phone, and also you're going to need a computer with internet access. If you have those two devices, coupled with a couple small things like some contracts and things of that nature, that's really all you need, because it doesn't take a lot to go out to a neighborhood, find an ugly house, find the owner, and put it under contract. So it doesn't take a lot to make $5,000 or $10,000 in this business. So the equipment that you need is very basic. You need a cell phone and a computer with internet access. Those are basically it. All right, hopefully that answered your question. Till next time, this is Derosa saying thank you very much. Happy investing.